want to get into your life as a lawyer. Um, you know, it's it's in the nonprofit realm, right?
Yes.
And what I guess you told me you're doing these clinics, right? But what does kind of a day in the life of Asia look like?
So, a day in the life of Asia. um, Honestly, it's hard to say because each day I cannot tell you what I will be doing. I guess traditionally, like lawyers will be like, yes, I have my schedule. I have meetings, of course, every day. But like meetings will pop up on my calendar, meetings will disappear. I'll have to go out to like a community partner somewhere to give a talk or to drop something off for them, or I'll get asked to like show up with a volunteer attorney to one of their court hearings. I don't know, like it. Your day can literally be anything. So if you come to work like Monday at 9 o'clock and you have like a set schedule, like okay, I only have two meetings. I can just sit in my office and do work. That may not be the case by the time it gets to 10:30. uh, so I don't know. Tuesdays are my clinic days. So every week from 8 to 12 I am in Baltimore City District Court.
Okay.
Um, Tuesdays my day starts early. Like I live way out in the county, so
Gotcha.
so I have to leave my house at 7 o'clock, or I will not be at the courthouse when I need to be there. Um, so every Tuesday, 8 to 12, you can't talk to me because I'm in the clinic. But after that, yeah, I'll just more meetings or follow up with clients I have in the clinic, follow up with volunteer attorneys, um, make sure I'm not being contact like returning phone calls and that when the Maryland General Assembly reconvenes, that's when we'll start getting a lot of calls and emails from like various legislators or people in city council asking for testimony or our opinion
Hmm.
in some bills that they have coming up. Um, so that could be a very, very busy time because you don't want to ignore a legislator that's trying to pass a bill
Yeah.
that is helpful to your clients.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I've got tax sales, I've got consumer protection clinics, I've got housing foreclosures, and then now I have to do testimony for you.
Right. My God. Well, I'm sure initially it might have been fun, where
Yeah.
there's like you know, it's always a surprise, right? Every day. But after some time, I'm sure you'd want some regularity. But you know, you're doing great work. And have you testified?
So, because of the pandemic, most of it has been on Zoom. So, I have testified a lot.
Okay.
Literally, my first year as an attorney, I had just learned about tax sale, just learned about its impact, and I was testifying in Baltimore City Council.
Oh God.
And my very first tax sale client was right there testifying with me too about the impacts of tax sale on her and her family. So yeah, like in one as an attorney, you don't have much training. It's you got like 2 months to figure it out, and then you're like thrown out there to just you have to do it. But in nonprofit, it's pretty quickly because like there are so many people that need help
Yeah.
and very few attorneys that are able or willing to do it.
Right.
So you get put out there very quickly.
Yeah. Did you always want to uh, be in the nonprofit realm?
Yes, but I wanted to do like international law.
Okay. 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 Gotcha.
Yeah.
International nonprofit
Yes.
law. I'm sure there are.
There are
Yeah.
several.
Yeah.
Um, there's several like organizations like that. But again, my judge was just like,
Right.